Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Audi R8 5.2 Quattro. This two-door convertible has a 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter V10 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger.